In this example, we will show how to use FreeCAD to create a parametric spindle design and import that into IRBCAM. So for that, we're going to use the Python console in FreeCAD. So go View, Panels, Python console. Here we have a script which is available at forum.hokaro.com, which I just paste in here. And we go View, Standard Views, Fit All. You see here is that design from that script. I select all the parts and go export it to STL. Let's see, I have to go STL here. Home demo downloads, my tool .stl. Now I can create a new station here in IRBCAM, so new station wizard. Next, I'll just pick an ABB robot, 6660 1.9. Next, after that, I go Upload Tool, select the file that we just created, my tool STL. I have to edit some parameters, so the weight 10 kilos, center of gravity 100 and 100 in X and Z. The position, this is the tip of the tool data, so this is 270 and 160 in Z. And the orientation is 90 degrees about Y. Upload. And you see here we got the STL file generated by FreeCAD. So I go next, define a user frame, 1500 in X, 500 in Z. Next, and no additional objects, and finish. So to test that this spindle works okay, I'm gonna add a target. Add targets, just at 0, insert. Then I can configure the path. And if I pull this slider, you can see now the new spindle works correctly in IRBCAM.